Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile QR code not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile QR code not showing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of FIFA mobile. Then we will enter to first stop and we click OK. After that we click storage. Here you will enter to clear cache, and in the end you can go to your application of Play Store. You will search about FIFA mobile. When you will find it, you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.